Welcome to our PowerPoint tutorial for lecturers and teachers.
This is the commencement of our journey into digital pedagogy. Learn how to teach with the computer 100%.
Hello there. Now welcome to this short tutorial on how to use PowerPoint. Are you a teacher? Are you a lecturer? This program, this tutorial is for you. You want to know how to use PowerPoint in creating your lessons, in creating your lectures. You deliver seminars, how to use PowerPoint to present to your audience. Now in PowerPoint, there are steps you need to take to create a presentation. The first step is to create a new slide. After that, you format the slide. After that, you duplicate your slides until you finish entering all the contents. At the end, you now animate, that's number 4. You animate the slides. After animation, you go to slide transition. And lastly, you carry out what we call slideshow. And slideshow is actually the presentation of your content. You are teaching with it already. That is slideshow. But let's start off with it. So to start PowerPoint, you just type on the search field here, type PowerPoint. You can see it there. You can as well go to your start button and look for PowerPoint on the programs list. Then here you click on blank presentation. Click here. And you'll be greeted with this. We have treated user interface before in the other topic, in the other tutorial. In the other video, we have treated user interface. But let me just go through it briefly. This is the home tab. This is the insert. You want to bring anything into the system, okay, into your presentation. You use the insert tab. Okay, this is transition. That is when a slide goes off and you go to the next slide. How does it come in? That is transition. Then animations. That is how do you want the objects to dance on the screen, okay, to attract the audience, attract viewership. That's animation. Then slideshow. That's when you are already presenting. You have created all your slides. Okay, so that's what they do. So coming to home, this is the first slide. Click to add title. Now, what are we going to teach? In this presentation, we're going to teach what we call CCSCAT. Okay, how to teach with the computer. Be you a teacher, be you a lecturer, or how to give seminars to people, how to organize workshops using a good presentation system. Okay, so we're going to use CCSCAT to teach this, how to use PowerPoint. You can see this on the screen. Central Content Source Computer Aided Teaching System. That's what we call CCSCAT. Can you see this introduction? Okay. After that, we have scope of CCSCAT. Here we have requirements for CCSCAT. Okay. And here we have, after that, we have how to deploy CCSCAT. Next, we have benefits of CCSCAT. Okay. And after that, we talk about the conclusion. Okay. The other points we would have talked about, but just for the benefit, for the purpose of this study, we are just going to talk about these points, okay? So number 1 is CCSCAT introduction. So let's talk about the topics page first. In PowerPoint presentation, the first slide is the topic slide. The first slide contains the topic. So let's enter the topic. You click on it and you type it. Central Content Source Computer Aided Teaching System. Go. Now you move your mouse. When you have the I-beam, okay, when your mouse is showing the I-beam, it means it's going to edit the text. But when you move it to the boundary, it shows you a cross like this, it means you can hold the object and move. This is the text box. You can hold it and move it about on the slide. Okay, so, and you also have, these are grip points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 grip points. The grip points are positions where you can drag and resize the object. Okay. For example, if you see here, so that's it. So anytime you see the cross like this, okay, you see the cross like this, it means you can hold it and move it. So come here, we hold this and move this. I don't need it. I'll delete it. Click on delete. Your keyboard is gone. I'll come here, I'll press and drag it down. After typing like this, the next thing to do is to save the file. Okay? you can just press Ctrl S, or you'll go to File, File, Save. Okay, then you browse to your documents. The document already. Just click on Documents. Okay, so the first thing you do is to use your Documents folder. Then right click and create a folder for your work. Right click, okay, click on New, click on Folder, then call it PowerPoint. PowerPoint, okay. First time, second time to open. Then you come here, just call it PowerPoint tutorials. Or just say how to use PowerPoint. Okay, how to use PowerPoint. Then you click on Save. Yes, with that, you have saved your file, and the name with which you saved it will appear on the title bar here. Okay. Okay. Now I want to center it horizontally. You can go to Align. It's a powerful tool. Go to Arrange. Click on Arrange here. Okay. Go to Align. Align Center. That's it. Now this text, the first step we said is to create a new slide. After that, we format it. We have created a slide. We want to format this now. This is the topic. I'll click on this. I like using the text Georgia for my topic fonts. So I'll come here, open here. Just press G for me. Good. Then scroll down. That's Georgia. Good. That's the text. That's Georgia. Then after this, we're going to change the background. The background, white is not so good. When it's plain like this, it's not beautiful. You need to have a background. So you right click like this, okay? Go to Format Background. Format Background. You click on Picture or Texture Fill. You come down to Insert. Right here, you click on Work Offline. Work Offline. On my system here, that's my hard disk. I have backgrounds folder here. I've opened it. Click on this marble white background. Click on Insert. Good. I have a background now. You can see that. Now I can decide to close this. I've closed this. Okay, I want to make it bigger. Okay, I just go up. This is to grow your text. Click on it. You can see that. Good. That's it. It's bigger now. Okay, so Central Content Source Computer Aided Teaching System. Okay, so let me put it here. Open the CCSCAT. Good, there's it. Now this is our topic. This is our topic. Well, I can change the color here. I want to lay emphasis. Can you make it to be blue and leave it like this? Okay, so after this, I will now duplicate slide. Remember the steps in creating a PowerPoint presentation. The first step is create new slide. After that, format slide. We have formatted that slide to that extent. After that, duplicate slides, number 3. Okay, duplicate slides. I'll minimize this. I'll right click on it. Right click on it here, the thumbnail view here. Then click on duplicate slide. Okay, I'll come back here. This the next slide now. I'll click on it. I'll come back here. This now becomes my content. This becomes the heading. So I'll come. This becomes my heading. I want to summarize. I'll just call it CCSCAT. So I'll just go there. Remove every other thing. Okay. Like this. Okay. Like this. I'll take it up. Good. You can see that. That's it. Okay. I'll keep it here. That's it. Good. So the next thing, I'll go to my content. I want to build introduction. Okay. So I'll go down, introduction. I'll take the text there, copy, just select everything. Okay. Press your Ctrl C on the keyboard, Ctrl C. Okay. Then minimize this. I'll come here. I'll get a text box here. I can just take this, click on it, hold down your Control key. Okay. Go there. First of all, move your mouse to the boundary. While it's showing you that cross, hold down the Control key, then with your mouse, click and drag. You have made a copy and move. I want to change this to introduction. Okay, introduction. Good, I'll come here, reduce it. Let me reduce the size. Okay, good. It's even reducing by itself. Okay. Control L, go to left align it. I've done that. Took it to the left. It's still too big. It's still too big. I'll reduce it. Look at this. Click on this to reduce it. Good. Then I'll bold it. Click on B here. It's bolded. Good. So while here, I want to paste what I've copied from here. Okay. Remember, I've copied introduction here. So I'll right click this second option here. Click on it. That's keep source formatting. That's it. There's it already. So just click on the body, move it there, like that. Good. Then I'll come here and continue to click until it's large enough, the size. That's big enough. That's 36. That's good. That's 36. Okay. Introduction, you have this. Okay, good. I want to change this color. CCSCAT system. Let me change this color to something. Let's leave it as red. Let's leave it as red. Good. It's okay. So this, the second slide. After that, want to create the next slide. I'll come here. Scope of CCSCAT. I'll select the text underneath. Okay. Control C. I'll go back to my PowerPoint. That's it. I'll click on this. I'll right click and duplicate. Duplicate slide. This is it. I'll double click on it. I'll edit the text. That is scope of CCSCAT. I come here, increase it. Good, that's it. I'll click inside here. I want to select everything. I'll press Ctrl A to select all the text. And I will right click. I'll right click on the selected portion. Go to 1, 2, the second one. Click on that. Good. I've pasted it. You can see it's just sitting properly, okay? The next thing is to go to the next item. Is requirements for CCSCAT. I'll select everything under that subheading. Ctrl C. I'll go back to my PowerPoint. Alt Tab. Alt on your keyboard. Press the Tab key. Okay. It's there already. I'll release my Alt key. That's it. So I'll right click on this and duplicate. Okay. I'll click on it. Go to the heading. Requirements for CCSCAT. Okay, good. Let me come here, expand it. Good, that's it. Now click here, Ctrl A to select all. Now right click on the selected portion. Then this second option here, okay, click on it. Good, that's it. So now you see it's too large, you can just click on that. Want to reduce the font size so that it can fit into the slide. Okay, you can take this up, click on this, take it up, come here, click on it, come here, okay. Or you can also click on the body there. You go to your keyboard, Control, Shift, less down sign. Okay, repeatedly until you get the required size. Let's leave it like this, okay, like this. Just move it up a bit. Good. We are good. We're okay like this. We're okay like this, yes. It's okay. It's okay. I've resized it. Yes. Then the next thing is requirements. We go to our content. Our content is saying how to deploy CCSCAT. Just click on that, select the content up to this point. Ctrl C on your keyboard. That's it. And you go back, Alt Tab. This one we want to go to. Just release it. That good. So, talking about what? Talking about requirements. Okay. What's the next one? How to deploy CCSCAT. You right click on this and you duplicate the slide. Then you come here. How to deploy CCSCAT. Good. That's it. You click here. Ctrl A to select everybody. Right click on it. 1, 2, the second one. Okay. I just click on that. Good. Just pasted it. Is it okay? Yes. Let's just go up a bit. You can click and use your up arrow key to move. The up arrow key. See, I'm pressing it repeatedly. Good. You can click on this. Click on the body. Up arrow key is okay. When you have to move, when you need to move little, very little distances. Want to move through a small distance. You can click on that. I want to reduce it. Control Shift less than sign. I want to reduce it. Let me just leave it like that. It's okay. After that, the next item, benefits of CCSCAT. Okay, I'll just click on that, select everything. That's it. Control C, go back to the file. This is it. I'll right click on this. I'll duplicate the slide. It's already selected. I'll double click on this. I'll say benefit of CCSCAT. Good. I'll click here, Control A. Okay. I'll right click on the selected portion. Go to this next one and click on that. Good. So I want to reduce the size. Just click on this. Go there. Reduce. Good. Can make it bigger a bit. Good. So let's see, is it on it? Yes, it's on it. It's on it. Yeah, it's on it. Good. Still want to move, you can click on that. Your up arrow, just move it a bit. Good. So benefits of CCSCAT, that you can reduce this if you want. Okay, it's okay. Good. So after that, we go next. We go next. Right click. No, let's go next to the next topic. Conclusion. We'll talk about the conclusion. So you have select that. Control C. Okay. Okay. Then you go back. You double click. You right click on this. We right click on this. Duplicate slide. Double click on that. Conclusion. Okay. Click on this. Control A to select all. Right click. Right click on it. Number 2 here. Just drop down it. After you click on the body, grow it there. Good. That's okay. So you can click and drag like you want to select it. See, this one was not selected because we don't need to select the topic. That's it. That's how to move. You can just like that, press and drag, and you move and move your items to wherever you want it. Okay, that's it. Good. So with this, we have created all the slides. Okay, we have created all the slides. You can see that. Okay, we have created all the slides. So look at it. Let's go back. We have done number 1, create new slide. We have done number 2, format slides. Okay, we have duplicated slides. Then the next one, which is number 4, is animate slides. Okay, the next thing we want to do is to animate our slides. What is slide animation? You want to captivate your audience. So as the objects are falling on the slide, on the stage, okay, they'll be dancing in so many ways. Okay, that is what we call slide animation. Animation means to make an object to move. Okay, to mobilize. Okay, an object is what you say you are animating the object. So here, let us animate our objects. Let's animate our slides. You come here, come there. Okay, this is my first slide. This is CCSCAT. Click on the body. Okay, you go to the animations tab. Animations tab. You click on it. Good. You click on the body here. You see, this is none. The default is none, meaning it should not dance at all. This is appear. I just click on it once. See, so fast. This is fade. Okay, so what you do, you can click on this drop down arrow here. Click on it. You see more of them. For example, I want to use, let me use zoom. I'll click on zoom. You can see that. That's it. This is here. You click on it once. That's it. Good. So it has animated for you. After animation, after that, then it will be expecting you to say start on click. No. As it comes to the screen, you want it to animate on its own. Okay? So you open here. Open here. Either say with previous or you say after previous. I would prefer, let's say after previous. Click on it after previous. Good. Let us test it. You now come down. Okay, you see this slideshow. This small button here. You click on it. Can you see that? That's it. Let me escape. Press escape to go. Look at it. This button here, slideshow. Click on it once. That's it. That's it. So let me press escape. Now I've animated this text by so doing. Another way is to make sure that the animations tab is on. So this animations pane. Click on animation pane. This is it here. You can as well right click on it here. You can see after previous. Okay, choose it there. If you really want to treat the animation in detail, you use this pane, animation pane. Let me close it. So animated this. Go to the next text, next slide. I'm going to animate this first one here. This one, animate this. You go to, let's say fade. That's fade. You can see so fast. is fast. Now let us animate this one. Let us animate this. You click on it, okay? Click on it, and you open here. You can take any one. Let's say random bars. You can see that. You go to this. You want to animate this. You have clicked on it. Then, right, you go to here. Start on what? Let's say after previous. Come to this. Animate it. Click on that. Swivel. You can see that. That's the animation. Then you go to. Let's make it after previous. Okay, then you come here. This is the first one. This is the second one. You come here too. You want to animate it. You open this. Okay, let's say grow and turn. You see that? Okay, you want it to be faster. You just click on this. Reduce it here. Click on it. You can see that. Let's make it to be faster. Go to duration. Reduce it. Okay, click on it. Good. Okay, you see that? So that's duration. Let's leave it like that. Okay, that's it. So that's how I've animated this. But after that, don't leave it on mouse click, or else you will not see it on the screen. Open this and maybe say with previous. Let us test it now. You can go to slideshow from current slide. Beautiful. You can see this. This introduction is not fast enough. I'll press escape. I'll go to introduction. I'll click on the body. Okay. Animations. On the animation, it's actually swivel. Okay. Then the time is too much, so you can reduce it. Okay, duration, that's like that. I've reduced it. Let me click on it. You can see it. Good, that's it. You can reduce the moment. Let's leave it like that. It's okay. So with that, we have finished the one for this. Okay, we go to the next slide. Okay, do the same thing. You animate your slides. Okay, it's not difficult. So you do this, and you can complete the rest of them by yourself. By this, we have finished slide animation. Now that you have animated the slides, the next thing is to carry out what we call slide transition. Now, transition is how do you want the slides to come on stage? Okay, the whole content, they come on stage just like that after you exhaust teaching the first slide. Okay, so slide transition is what you do next. So we go to the transitions tab here. You go to the transitions tab, click on it. Good. The default is none. You will see something none there. This is the default. The default will be none. For all the slides, it's none. So you select the first slide here, and you come there, you open, okay? You can just put in push. You have push here. I clicked on push. Can you see it? You just go up there. I clicked on push, and it came up. Let me click again. You see it? That's it. Can you see that? That's push. After that, you select the next slide. Okay, you open here, you just put curtains. You can select any option here, curtains. See, you can see that. You can see it's slow. Good, it's slow. So you can increase it. Continue. Come here. This is the duration. Okay, you can reduce the duration here. Okay, then click on it. See it. It's still too slow. Reduce the duration. Click on it. You can see that. Good. This is okay. So to preview it, you can just click on this here. Can you see that? See it? See that? The CCSCAT system. Now, the other text, we are not asked to come in after they are still on mouse click. So you click on this, you go to animation. Okay. You see this is still on mouse click. You open this and say after previous. Click on this with previous. Okay. Go is okay. So let's preview it. Click on this. You see that? Beautiful. That was it. Let's remove that. Let's check this one. Let's check this slide out. Scope of CCSCAT. Okay. Go to transitions. Transitions. Then let's put white. This is split. Let's put this split. Split. See it? It's done it. It's done it. Yes. It's done it. Can we test it? Just click on this here. Good, that's it. We didn't animate the text, that's why it's like that. So do the same thing for all of them. Let's just try the next one. I have this. You have clock. This clock. You can see that. That's it. It's too slow. You can reduce the time here. You can see that that's too fast. Increase it here. Good, that's it. Then the next one. you have open here. There's this origami. This origami, I like it because it flies out. Okay, duration, you can use duration here. Click on it. Because yes, that's slide transition. Look at the next one. You have it. You have something like you have flip. That's flip. That's flip. It's too slow. You reduce the speed. You increase the speed by reducing the time here. That's too fast. Good. That's it. For the last one, I like the last one being zoom. Click on zoom here. Good. It's too slow. You reduce the time. Good. It's okay. Let's click again. It's too fast. Increase the time. Beautiful. So with this, if I press my F5 key, just press F5. This is it. Okay. Go to the next slide. You click. You can see that. You can see that. You click again to go to the next slide. You can see that. Click to go to the next slide. That is clock. Click. You can see that. Click again. You can see that. Click again. You can see that. So let us present now. Let us present. You saw a black screen just now. I don't want it to be black screen. Now, we have finished slide transition. Okay. After slide transition, the next thing you do is slideshow. You want to start teaching now. But before we carry out slideshow, let us first of all configure our slideshow. So you go to slideshow, okay, you click on setup slideshow. Okay, then I like leaving here. This first one wouldn't allow you to do any other thing once you are presenting. So I'll leave it here, browse by individual window. Okay, then you come here, show options, loop continuously until escape. So you click on this. So by the time it gets to the last slide, if you click on next, it will go to the first slide instead of showing us a black screen. We leave it like that. I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Configure slideshow. Leave this one here and let this one loop continuously, and you click on OK. That's all. After pressing the F5 key while in presentation mode, while in slideshow mode, you can press either the right arrow key or the down arrow key to go to the next slide. To go to the previous slide, it's either you press the up arrow key or the left arrow key. Okay, so down and right arrow keys for next slide. Okay, then up and left arrow keys for previous slide. You can as well press the enter key to go to the next slide, or you press the spacebar to also go to the next slide. So to present, just press on F5 key. You can see that. There's it. I'll click the CCSCAT. So you can pause the video and get the details of CCSCAT. You can see this. So you press escape key. Now we are through. We have designed everything. We have animated. We have carried out transition. We have configured our slideshow. So that we now start presenting. Just press your F5 key. Okay. CCSCAT is Central Content Source Computer Aided Teaching System. Okay. It's a system of computerizing everything you do in the classroom, be it in the classroom or online. You click again. That's introduction. Okay. You see, it's a teaching system that seeks to revolutionize the way teachers and lecturers use the computer. Okay. After that, you are through. You click. This is scope. It's meant for teachers, it's meant for lecturers, and as many that want to present to the public. As long as you are addressing an audience, then you can use CCSCAT system. I'll click. Okay. These are the requirements. Okay. You build content. We'll undergo training for this. Okay. Then you have the CCSCAT software that you can use to load your content. Then these are the hardware components that you need. Just in each class, you need a widescreen television, you have a thin client, and a wireless keyboard. That's all. This is all you need to set it up in each class. How to deploy CCSCAT? Any teacher with your laptop, you can just connect to a TV screen, and you start using CCSCAT. Then for the school, you need a thin client, you need a widescreen TV, okay, and a wireless keyboard. That's how to deploy CCSCAT in any school. Benefits. In short, the benefits are so numerous. You can see them there on the screen. You can pause the video and go through them. Then conclusion, any teacher or lecturer or a school that will use CCSCAT is actually going to be miles ahead of the rest of his peers. Okay, we are going to be better than anybody that is going to, because it is just what you are seeing now. This is the PowerPoint aspect. Okay, this is the PowerPoint. We have more trainings for it where we will teach you how to build the content. Okay, how to build the content, how to produce videos for yourself, how to get content from the internet and use. And in short, it's a lot. I'm going to teach you in the course of the CCSCAT program. So you may just click on the link, visit the link, and take your training there. And at the end, you'll be very, very glad that you are going to digitize your teaching and your knowledge delivery activities throughout your lifetime. I know you've enjoyed this lesson. I want you to subscribe to this channel and see that you don't miss any video. I'm going to be posting videos from time to time.